All right, so you've seen Pegasus, our 2022 Ford Bronco behind me, but how much would it cost if you were to build the exact same Bronco and pay full retail? Let's find out. All right, for starters, the base 2022 Ford Bronco Wildtrak is $49,475. Of course, the government needed its cut too, and that came to $5,600 for tax and title. ADD Offroad Pro Series bumpers on the front and back, $1,920. Alpha Rex Nova Series quad headlights, $1,675 smackaroos. Bronkbuster Stage 3 steering kit, $1,295. Can't really showcase it because it's like internal, but it's nice. This Baja Kit's Prerunner kit suspension with 6 inches of lift came out to $6,324. And these King Performance 2.5 adjustable shocks, $1991. Labor on this sweet beast was $1875 just for the suspension. A rig ain't complete without some meats, and that's why we got 37-inch Cooper STT Pro tires for $2,450. God, stop! 17-inch Black Rhino Chase rotary forged wheels, $1,520. Catskin custom leather interior with diamond stitching, $2,300. Luxury. Bronkbuster tie rod reinforcement, $398. Like a rock. God. Oh. Baja Kit pivot plate, $375. Rock slide engineering side steps, $2,420. Baja Designs 20-inch light bar, $579. But God, oh. Baja Designs 8XL roof light kit, $1,560. Hammer built spare tire reinforcement, $199. Houses this big old meat right here. That Ram Air hood, $1,050. The Bronco fenders, $1,500. The quarter kit, $1,250, and labor was $2,500. Faster. Color matching, that Ram Air hood, quarter panels, and fenders, $5,000. KPMF black satin metallic wrap, $4,500, including installation, and worth every penny. Corsa Performance 2.75 catback exhaust. When we got this Bronco, we upgraded the technology package, sound system, put a Sasquatch edition on it, had leather seats already, plus 35-inch tires and a bunch of other things coming out to $8,730, including adaptive cruise control. Hardtop's not on it right now. It's getting a little tight. Bringing our grand total to $111,470. This is a world-class rig that one of you watching could potentially be taking home. And if you want to enter, it's really simple. Go to forge4x4.com, become a member for $12.95. You're automatically going to get 15 entries to win, or make a purchase in our shop where every $1 you spend equals 1 entry to win. 1% of proceeds go to Beyond the Brotherhood, an awesome nonprofit that helps Navy SEALs get into civilian life. If you want to support them and support us and get entered to win, just go to forge4x4.com. $111,000. This thing is nuts. I need to call the CFO and tell him how much we spent because he was not expecting that, but it'll be fine. Everything will be fine. Get your entries, forge4x4.com. Hey, how's it going? So we did the grand total on the Bronco, and remember I didn't tell you exactly how much we spent. We just figured it out. I mean, it's not that bad. $111,470. Okay, we'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'll call you later. You're upset. Just relax. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. Okay.